Country Chic Paint is a boutique paint company for anybody that's looking to tackle DIY projects at home. When we developed our curated line of paint colors, we worked with a color expert to make sure that our colors are not just trendy at the moment, but also timeless and can be enjoyed for years to come, and that they work with a lot of different interior decorating styles. One of the things that people tell us about the paint is that it's just so easy to get started. So there's not a whole bunch of prep work that needs to happen beforehand, but it's a really easy product to use because our furniture paint has a built-in primer, so people can get started more quickly. So Country Chic Paint can be used on lots of different projects, anything from dressers to outdoor patio sets to kitchen cabinets, dining room chairs, to even walls. It's a very versatile product. If you're new to painting, then we offer a lot of helpful tutorials. So if you don't know where to get started, just reach out and our team will be totally happy to point you in the right direction and tell you where to start. My husband and I started Country Chic Paint in 2014 to offer people an opportunity to create a home that they love in a more sustainable and eco-friendly way. We have a young family, so it's really important that we take care of our planet because we want to make sure that there's a future for our children. I think as a small business, we can really have an impact on our community. We hire local people, and we have an amazing team that has been with us for many, many years. It's a very collaborative work environment. When we come up with new color names, everybody gets to kind of weigh in that process, which is really fun. I think running a business based on values that are important to us personally, it just makes it so much more rewarding. What I love most about our company is that I get to work with an amazing team every day. I love that we supply people with creative products. It's very personally rewarding to see customers that have never painted anything in their life to create a successful project.